So over here, you can see that I have a form which is quite plain. But if you want to add in design to the form to make it interesting, then you can add in background images as well. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around from view to design view right here so that you can access out the design view just like this. You can pull the sections around right here to get the amount of space you need. So if you want to add in a background image right here, then what you can do is you can go around over here onto the top in format where you can see background image is an option. You can go around and click on browse right here, which opens up the Explorer window. So I'm going to go around onto my YouTube drive right here, and from picture, I'm just going to select out a picture I want, press OK, and you can see that the background image is there accordingly, as you can see right here. So as I click on this, there's the background image which has been applied onto this form right here. So I'm just going to go around and change the text right here to the color I want right here so that we can see everything is visible. So you can see that I got some fields which has been hidden out because of the color right here. So let me just go around, change that out so that we can see everything right now. So besides background images, what you can also do is you can go around over here into design right here and go to logo, as you can see right here. You can click on logo and then you can choose any logo you want. So I'm just going to go around right here, go to YouTube logo, and there you go. There's the small logo which appears over here, as you can see right here. So logo appears small. You can go around and delete this, or you can click on insert image right here, click on browse, and then choose the logo right here. So I'm going to go around, choose the logo, click this around, and you can see that the logo side changes around right here. So if I were to resize this, this is what you have. So let me just go around, resize this over here. If I were to go around right here, and there you go. You can see that now you can place the logo wherever you want. So this is what you have right here. So let me just go around and resize this out. So let's just go around, resize this out right here. And this is how it looks, as you can see. So if I were to move this out right here, this is what you have, as you can see right here. So let me just move around the logo as well and resize this out. So if I were to go from view to form view now, you can see that it totally changes out the outlook of the form, and this is how it looks. So now you can see that it is much more interesting. You got a background image over here, you got a logo right here. So you can similarly go around, increase the interest appeal of the form by using images or logos inside of your forms in MS Access. So that is how you can add in background and images in design view in MS Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.